if you're looking at maps of these high temperatures in the Pacific that started in late 2013, the best term that comes to mind is a blob because of what it looked like, this mass of warm temperature, and then it was starting to expand and take over a good portion of the Eastern Pacific and then slam into the continent. And the question is now, how is that going to be affected by El Nino? And it seems to have resulted in this bloom, which we did not expect. We expected the bloom. It always happens in spring to summer in this part of the world, but we also expect it to go away after a month. When the bloom started in May, or even a little bit earlier, we started to measure the toxins. We realized that those levels were very high and immediately started to see the effect in the food web. When we measured the toxins in the fish, they were some of the highest we've ever seen in things like anchovies and sardines. And so it was pretty early in the summer that we started to realize we were dealing with a very toxic event. So domoic acid is a toxin that's produced by this microalgae, this phytoplankton called Pseudonychia, and there are several species that produce the toxin. It doesn't really make the water more acidic, but it does tend to act a lot like other amino acids in our bodies. And if you are exposed to domoic acid, that compound will take the place of glutamic acid, and that is why it becomes a neurotoxin, because it becomes deadly when it binds to those same neuron receptors that glutamic acid would ordinarily bind to.